Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the AWS Node.js SES. Today we are going to learn about how to send mail via AWS SES with attachment in Node.js via Node Mailer. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the code. So first we required the node mailer, AWS SDK and the FS. Okay. After this, we have to do the create an Amazon SES transport. So here we have create the Amazon AWS transport. So here we required SES, new AWS SES, API version, SS key ID, secret SS key, region. So those who don't know about the how to get the SS key ID, secret SS key, they get to know about my video in my tutorial. So get there and get the SS key and the secret key. How to get it, you have to watch my previous videos. Okay, so you get to know about that one. Okay, so next we have the define your email message. So here we have to define that is from to subject text HTML and the attachment. Make sure these two emails to be verified by the AWS identity. So if I go over here, so here we have the entity, right? Verified identities. So here you can see that both entities are verified. So make sure that should be added over here, not any other one, right? So SES transfers the mail only that are verified. Okay. After this, we have a subject, we have a text, we have HTML. Okay. So don't require the text also. So here we have the attachments. So here the attachment section come in the action. This is an array. So first we require the file name, then content. So here we have the PDF file. So I have added over here. Okay, then transport dot send mail, so it will send that email. Okay, if I will show you, let's save this and run this one. Okay, let's go to the emails. So this is technical. So let's see the email Magento developer email with attachment. Check out the attached file. So here you can see that attached file is here, right? Okay, so this is how we are able to send the attachment also with the help of the node mailer AWS SES. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this videos. Have a great day.